Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So, if you've been watching my videos for like a week and a half, 2 weeks now, I've been saying that it's going to go up to this 90% and probably at least make a double top. If it makes a double top, I'll move my new structure to here, and then if it goes down and breaks that structure, that is what's going to tell me that the weekly has ended a wave B and that we're in a downtrend that would likely last months because it would be a weekly time frame downtrend. But the only thing that's going to prove that is the double top breaker structure to the downside on the daily time frame. Otherwise, anything we see to the downside still could be a pullback within the uptrend. So definitely just taking it one wave at a time, going down to the 1 hour time frame. My last most recent structure is way down here. This is a 4 hour time frame structure. Any of these little substructures right here do not tell me anything except for that this wave right here is complete. If you've been following along with my videos, I've been doing nothing but looking for logs at the end of three-way pullbacks. One, two, three waves down, little one, two, three-way patterns, one, two, three-way patterns, one, two, three-way patterns, and you've probably been doing really well trading to the long side. Definitely still recommending logs, looking for logs at the end of three-way pullbacks, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.